Watch. At the world, it's not a plan. Hear me, no, man? A franchise to choosing one, the 10-star general. You don't know when I come and represent Gaza Nation in a full effect. You don't know it go already, you know, when I aim up, crank up, and drop necessary equipment and sound the big thing them. What? You don't know a loud explosion on YouTube. But hear me, no, man? Right now, I come to set certain things straight because you don't know my subscriber them on YouTube. Them know how me is a man dealing with thing. I not deal with lollipop thing. Good
How's it
evening.
going?
Good. You?
What's your name?
Garfield.
Huh?
Garfield. Like the cat? Garfield?
Oh, okay, because I haven't seen you before.
Yeah.
I'm Melissa. I just moved into 710.
Yeah.
Like 3 weeks ago.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. I'll be
Me
back.
too. Okay.
My friend, I don't get such good heat up there, so my friend invited me over.
Yeah.
And she has good heat.
Yeah.
So I'm going to go to her apartment.
Okay. All right.
Bye.
All right. Okay. Sorry about that. You know it go already when you multitask when you're there on the job because you know I don't really deal with lollipop thing. So here we are going. Right about now, you know. I see the man them have this thing twisted. I now go put world boss in it because you know world boss in a different class by himself. And already see the international market world boss at take on. World boss now mix with them type of artists that we are talking about because how many years have world boss done this thing here? Wrap up DJ for the year. About 10 or 11, 12 times. That played out right now for the world boss. A bigger thing you want to move on to. So here we are going now. In the first place, it's okay for rising king speak in mind or talk whatever him think. Okay, because that is just a thought. It's not necessarily true. You see what I deal with, but true, each one equal to them own opinion. We give him that. Okay, you can thought that. That is just a thought of yours. It's not necessarily true. Right now, you can't get out a good album. Because a good album is a whole body of work. You see what I deal with, we structure together. And Popcaan Forever album are going good. And everybody don't know that. So I don't know how to compete. But a Masicka are the best year him ever have in an entertainment from him introduced to dancehall. So the youth drop hits after hits after hits after hits and nobody can deny that. So we say if we have a DJ for the year, it's supposed to go between Popcaan and Masicka. Because them two, we talk about consistent. And them two, remember Popcaan is a whole album him drop. And Masicka consistent with dropping there it's single. You see what I say? Watch. So, you see the breakout artist for the breakout artist for 2018. I mean, like, don't get me wrong, you know. Remember, Shayna did bust already and everything. And everything did good, you know. And him fall off for a while and him come back, you know. But I think, you know, 2018, I was Shayna best year in our music too. 2018, it was Governor best year in our music too. 2018, it was 2TJ best year in our music too. You see what I deal with? So all of them artists the way you hear me just call a while ago. The Shayna, the TJ, the Governor, you know what I mean? And the Rising King. Those four artists, it was them best year them having a music 2018. So them are the breakout artists. But when you not go talk about for top the notch, you could never ever go in front Popcaan or Masicka because them deliver wicked 2018. If somebody forgot in front of them, it would have to be the world boss. But we don't put the world boss in that category there because we've been there and done that so many times. I will not run down DJ for the year of freedom and the international market we are run down. What? So here we are go on right now. Mate Mills there in Jamaica. We know a big thing I cook up in the Gaza pot. We don't know when the teacher go decide to share it out and dish it out on the plate. That means everybody can see what go on. But we know a big thing in the making and big thing go on. I don't know if it's a feature upon teacher album. I don't know if teacher go drop something for Make Mill mixtape. I don't know if it's a record deal or car the man say, you know, right now, you know, a business him a deal with, you know, and him have a sit teacher, you know, straightforward, you know. So, me don't know, you know, if him have a sit teacher face to face like that and him can't deal with TJ record who deal with teacher business, him have a sit teacher face to face like that. That sound like some form of deal and signing business to me, you know. You know what I mean? Because it go personally. So what I say, but that is just still a thought of mine. You see what I deal with it? Not necessarily true, but what I think. You see what I say, Gaza Nation, because none of that no leak out yet. But for some local bloggers now, who love go around and sell the people them go and scam for the views and like, because them not love this shit, you know. Them won't go do it for what them can gain. Good evening. You see what I say? They won't go do it for what them can gain. You know what different, you know. This make me make money. Right, that's the way you see me I do. Be a foreign diplomat. People from all over Europe. You see what I deal with? This make me make money. And me I do this before even YouTube gets so popular where black in concert. You see what I deal with? And me nah go left this for go take up no other local joke thing. If me left this, it have to do something bigger and better. Because all school me have to go for this. You see what I deal with? And then a lollipop thing. You see what I deal with? A real thing Gaza Nation. You see what I deal with? So one time some boy there and all a chat. See the Gaza Nation. See it there. See it there, man. You see it there, man. You see it? Yeah, man. You have to know how to operate that. One button you can touch upon that and the whole fucking building blow up. Blow down. Like it's a bomb in it. You see what I deal with? I have to go for school for operate that. You see me? Me is a fire safety director. You see what I deal with? And that's why I'm the writer, so I can monitor that. I can monitor, I can lock down the system, anything. Fire start, I shut down the whole thing and make the fire brigade know everything. You see what I deal? Alarm the people, they make them can exit the building and all of them shit there. You see what I deal with? So you have to know it's a technical thing I deal with. I not deal with lollipop thing. And that's why when you hear me come talk about Gaza, my always precise, because I always get it right. You see what I deal with? Because we not do it for the views.